Anyway, as we were, so I've been mainly doing drainage the last day, in between doing some other jobs, and I have got my first run in. You can see that. That's going to take all the toilets and obviously soil pipe. That is the first one. And then I've got a foul storm where that pink spray paint is. And then I've got another one on the 3 metre. And then you can see the Stabila earning its keep on my foul. So yeah, I've concreted this in. I always do joints. I got a joint to do there. And when I do this one, and when I connect that one, I'll concrete all the joints. I've always done that. I've never had any problems with my sewers. You have to excuse the fact that I'm using this is because the one I got from TikTok shop that's supposed to follow me didn't follow me. It liked the cement mixer, it liked the digger, and it liked the mud pile. So it kept looking at that and not at me. But at least you can hear me now. I'm going to put away the digger and still talk to you. So let's put you somewhere safe where you're not going to get blown over, which is impossible on a building site. And here we go. Right, guys, let's go and put the digger away. Oof. I just don't know if you can hear me. I've been using the digger today to do all the hardcore that I made. So this has been my routine now for about a week. Obviously, the tent's a bit higher than what it would be normally. Just get the digger in. I don't know about you, but is your Chinese mini digger as loud as mine? I think when they put the exhaust on my one, they forgot to put the sound muffler on it. Bloody deafens me. I wear my ear defenders when I'm on it. It says 95 decibels my arse. No wonder I keep asking, hey? See? So this is where the diggers live on site. Yes, I haven't got a compound. This used to be my show tent, and I used to do all my resin tables and stuff. Here it is, earning its keep as a compound. So yeah, oh fucking hell, you've blown over in the fucking wind. Oh my God, Jesus Christ. Absolutely KO'd yourself. Fuck me, excuse my French. I just can't do it. Not on a windy day anyway. Did you see any of that?